Our thread that we're cutting there is an M16 by 2.0. I don't have a go gauge for this size thread, so what I'm using is the pitch mic right here, measuring a pitch diameter of 0.79 inches. And then we have just a standard hardware grade nut here that I can use to kind of check it and make sure that something's going to screw on there, and it does. It's actually got a really nice fit there. So we're micing it right on the pitch diameter where it should be. It's doing a good job. It looks good.